Hi, I'm Matt from Tensor9. Today I'll show you how enterprises can deploy their own private ChatGPT-like app where data never leaves their AWS account. Our Playground AI chat app runs open web UI with local LLM models. For banks, healthcare, and government agencies that can't send data to third-party APIs, this is the only way to get AI capabilities while maintaining complete data privacy. The challenge for SaaS and AI vendors: how do you deploy and operate this across your enterprise customers without rebuilding your product and becoming a 24/7 DevOps team? That's exactly what Tensor9 solves. Let me show you how Tensor9 works. Tensor9 reads your infrastructure as code and creates deployable appliances for any customer environment. The key innovation is our digital twin technology. For each customer deployment, we maintain a digital twin in your cloud that mirrors their stack. You deploy changes to your stack, perform a Tensor9 release, which triggers updates in customer environment. Logs and metrics flow back through the twin, giving you full observability without accessing customer data. Let me show you how simple it is to onboard an application to Tensor9. Here's the CloudFormation for our Playground AI chat app: ECS Fargate cluster, open web UI with Olama, network load balancer, VPC, and 40 gigabytes of storage for local models. Watch as Tensor9 ingests their infrastructure as code. We've instantly transformed this into a deployable appliance for any customer's AWS account. The entire LLM runs locally, no external API calls, no data leakage. Before pushing to customers, you need to test changes safely. Let me create a test appliance. This deploys the complete stack into our test AWS account: Fargate containers, local models, everything. This test environment is critical. When you update models or modify infrastructure, you validate here first. No more breaking Northern Trust deployment while they're analyzing trading strategies. Test locally, verify everything works, then confidently push to production. Now let me show you what your customer's experience is. You can try this yourself after watching this video. We've built a playground where you can experience exactly what your enterprise customers go through. Connect an AWS account, click deploy, and Tensor9 provisions the entire infrastructure. After about 15 minutes, they have a production-ready AI system running open web UI, perfect for confidential financial models, M&A documents, or customer data. Everything stays in their AWS account. Instead of weeks of professional services, it's completely self-service. This is how you compete with public SaaS, by making private deployment just as easy. Now the real power: managing customer deployments using the AWS console you already know. This is my standard AWS console, but through Tensor9's digital twin, I'm seeing a mirror of Northern Trust's environment. I see their Fargate tasks, metrics, and logs through my familiar AWS interface. Their actual data and AI conversations never leave their account. Northern Trust tasks show high CPU utilization. The model is struggling under load. They're hitting memory limits during peak usage. The key: I'm using the same tools I use for my own infrastructure: ECS Console, CloudWatch, but viewing their deployment through the digital twin. No new tools to learn. This is proactive operations without complexity. Let's fix this performance issue by adding a Redis cache. I'm adding Elasticache Redis to cache model responses. New Redis configuration, cache layer, environment variables. Traditionally, this means maintenance windows, coordinating with customer IT, manual deployments. With Tensor9, this flows through CI/CD, validates in the test appliance, then I release it to customers. The update rolls out to Northern Trust automatically. New Redis cache, updated configuration, zero downtime, no intervention from their team. Within minutes, repeated queries hit the cache, CPU drops 60%, response times are dramatically improved. We've added an entire caching layer without them knowing there was an issue. Here's the bottom line: without Tensor9, you're turning away enterprise deals or drowning in DevOps complexity. With Tensor9, you offer true private AI deployments while maintaining control. Your customers get AI without compliance risks, you get enterprise contracts. The playground lets customers deploy immediately and experience this value. Are you ready to capture the enterprise AI market? Let's talk.